Hello everyone, welcome back to Burt. Happy to see you guys back. I'm going to be doing my second part of my video now with all my organic products and my safe skincare for all different kinds of categories of things that we are worried about nowadays with all of the sensitivities and things like that, and also just social things we want to address with products and things that we're using for that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my organic cotton. And this one is actually from Italy, they say, and it is all kinds of good stuff, lint-free and tear-resistant, chemical-free, extra virgin cotton, 100% grown cotton. So I'm going to go a little crazy probably on this one with all these claims, and I'm going to use my Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is Witch Hazel. It's actually a rose petal version, and it doesn't have any alcohol in it, which is really nice. So I'm going to use this. I already cleansed my face earlier today, so I'm going to actually just take off and just use my Witch Hazel as a toner. This smells really, really good. In fact, it has no alcohol in it. It makes it feel really comfortable for almost anyone's skin type. And I still got a little bit of stuff on there, so I turned it around. I'm going to do it again. I've been out with the dogs a couple times because they like to go back out, in and out, to do their business out in the grass. They just want to go play around and chase a bird and all this. So this way, I'm all fresh and clean again for this next part of the video. So I'm going to go into a serum first that this is from Arbonne, and I have boxes with the ingredients because I can't remember all the ingredients, but with Arbonne, this is basically for sensitive skin, and I really do have sensitive skin for sure. And it has aloe, glycerin, cucumber, chicory, chamomile, things like that. Those are kind of nice things, but I don't care about those at all actually. What I do care about very deeply actually is there's two different products in here that I definitely like to have in my skin. One of them is mallow, like for my marshmallow. So marshmallow is actually, I mean, you think of marshmallows as something you eat, and that's candy. It's, you know, sugar, puffy stuff like that. But the actual mallow is actually a soothing kind of ingredient. So it helps your skin if you have, maybe you did too much, you know, yeah, sunburn, or you had a chemical peel and it was a little rough on your skin, things like that. That's where the mallow kind of thing comes in to help kind of soothe and calm. I think there's chicory in here as well. I saw that. Yes, it is. Okay, so then also niacinamide is a great ingredient, and it should be in more products actually. It should be in almost every product because niacinamide works day and night. It helps. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps fade out pigmentation and brown spots on the skin. So there's a lot of cool things about this. And then Glycyrrhiza glabra, if that's how you say it. Glycyrrhiza, I don't know. Anyway, that one basically is licorice. Licorice is a root. It's like the extract of the root anyway, and that one does a great job of fading pigmentation as well. So if you are looking to minimize brown spots, then the Calm Soothing Serum is a good one. So I have some other options I will be picking up later on my next shopping trip. So this one's called Calm, and this is what I was just kind of showing you here. So here's the serum here, and I'll just put it right here on my hand here. And I was trying to go around and pick out things from all kinds of cruelty-free products that were safe and organic and all that good stuff. And I'm just kind of going along with my idea of going to different stores and picking different things. So that one is obviously from Arbonne. And then for moisture, I'm going to actually do some Argan Oil from Physicians Formula. And this is my moisturizer. I do have a moisturizer for night cream, which I'll go ahead and use that too, just because I don't have a day one. But this is Argan oil really is a great oil for dry skin. So by putting the oil on top of the serum, it gives you a lot more hydration. It's pressed into the skin, so it goes right into the skin, doesn't drip around or get to the eyes, but you can go in the area for sure. So there's that, and this one's again Physicians Formulas. This is a affordable one right there. And then I was looking for things. I was looking for a moisturizer actually, and didn't find one, a cruelty-free one in any of the stores. So I went to the Body Shop. The Body Shop has one called Nutriganics, and this is actually a nighttime moisturizer. It has some really cool stuff in it. So it has tons of oils in it. It has coconut oil and olive oil and just a very long cool list. There's arginine, salicylic acid helps with inflammation and unclogging pores, things like that. But a whole bunch of different ingredients in here. So there's like, again, the mallows in here, grapeseed extract, sodium hyaluronate, sunflower seed oil, just all kinds of nice oils in this one here. So this is what this looks like here. This is the moisturizer, and I haven't used it before, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a pump of this in a second when it comes out. Okay, 2 pumps. How about that? All right, so 2 pumps. So we'll just do it on the face and the neck. So this is full of oils. And I have super dry skin, so this is going to be really great for me. I'm going to my eyelids too, just because that area gets kind of dry. So there's kind of just like the prep work as far as the skincare. I'm going to go into the CC cream, and this is actually a organic wear CC cream, and it's SPF 20 only, which is not that much, but it has organic lemon, red and microalgae, light reflecting pigments, blue agave, acai palm, just all kinds of things from plants. So this is kind of a cool one. The color seems to be like a light enough color for my skin to actually match my skin. I hope that's correct, because a lot of times I buy these things and they're a little too dark for me. They may only have like one shade that's not even close for me. But that one looks like it's going to be a pretty good one. So I'll use this one here. And I believe the shade is in light. It's a shake before use, but I didn't do that. But it's already, it's not looking like it's going to be very runny at all. It's going to be more coverage. In my earlier video, I showed the Australian Gold sunscreen, which has silica in it, and that one's a nice one too if you need a little extra SPF. But for right now, because I'm going to be doing this little fuzz, it's one of my own hairs. How about that? So there is the CC cream. Kind of blend around the eye area. And a lot of the products that there are meant to be for organic, healthy, natural kind of things don't have a lot of pigment to them. So we'll see how this works out. So one thing I do not have is actually I didn't have a brow color to put in. So I'm going to use one of my little brushes in here, and I'm going to use my Jane Iredale little shadow palette here. This is actually a bronzer palette. I'm going to use this little red color with a Nutriganics brush, which is also cruelty free, and fill in just where I need a little bit more color. And just really minimal amounts of that. I don't need a whole lot of that. I'm going to use my little brush, brush my brows up. I did not have a primer, special primer for this. I'm going to just do a little bit of a foundation. This is Jane Iredale's Amazing Base in Bisque. So kind of a light little thing here. This is a Eco Tools brush. I'm supposed to pick up some, just a bit. There's a little shaker, but I just want to get a little dab on there. It's kind of a rough brush. I'm not really a big fan of that one, but it's what we have for now anyway. I'm going to go into my shadows here with this little guy here, and kind of going with a bigger brush here. Some color going into the crease. It took me a while. I had a whole several days of thinking about how I'm going to get all these products together and see how they work together for my first organic video. So use my finger just to put on some on the outer corner. Get more pigment there. I'm going to use this copper color right here, right in the middle of the eye. And then the inner corner, I'm going to use this this kind of pale gold color. Overlap it onto the middle there. And then we'll get a little softer brush. I haven't used this one actually. I'll just use this for this reason. I'll use this light color in the Arbonne. It's a weird choice, but just something that's clean and handy. So there's that. And then we'll do our Butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And some contour going on here. And then for blush, we'll do the Butter blush, which is also Physicians Formula. And this is the Plum Rose blush. So get a lot of color going on here. And then let's do mascara. The mascara is Organic Wear. I have not used this one before, so I'll just try and see if you like this little guy here. This funny little wand. I kind of like the wand actually. When I pulled it out, the whole brush wasn't actually covered in product, so I'd have to go back and, as you use it, I'm sure you'll be able to get more. Let's try it again. And now it's coated all the way around. I didn't have an eyeliner necessarily. I couldn't find one anywhere that I really wanted to buy, so I think I'm still on the hunt for a really good eyeliner that's cruelty-free and organic and all that kind of good stuff. Not that I have to do it, but I just kind of would like to know what's out there. I'm going to do my lower lashes just to kind of catch those little guys there before I forget. And then we will get the lip color I actually bought is actually a, this is from Body Shop also, and it's a lip and cheek tint. I should have peeled this off first, but just take that off there. It matches my nail polish, so I thought it was kind of a cute thing. So let me just blot my lips for a second. And then we'll do apply the lip tint. This was only $1 and doesn't have a lot of pigment to it, so, but if it does work as a stain. And later on I can actually layer it over the top of something else. I do want to find a Burt's Bees lipstick because they do have colors that have more pigment to them. So anyway, this is how it looks, kind of like quick and easy, and it's pretty. It's definitely very natural, and I tend to do more drama. I'm going to do a little more blush actually. So pretty good, I guess. That's just a kind of my first attempt to do a really organic, natural line for makeup. So for summertime, it's perfect, and I wear my botanical shirt. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon in my next video.